http:// Flash flood warning for the following county: Lake, Florida. Flash flood emergency for Eustis and Mount Dora. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a flash flood warning for Central Lake County in East Central Florida until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 15 and 18 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. This is a flash flood emergency for Eustis and Mount Dora. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Eustis, Tavares, Mount Dora, Sorrento, Umatilla, Lake Eustis, and Lake Dora. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around, don't travel when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Stay off the roadways in the area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or tornado warning for the following county: Brevard, Florida. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for Central Brevard County in East Central Florida until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Sharps, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Cocoa, Sharps, in Merritt Island around 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Port St. John around 10:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.